Today our recipe is a polka dot Swiss roll. These are the ingredients we need for this recipe. First beat sugar and egg whites until stiff peaks form. Then add egg yolks one by one and beat. Add salt and flour to the beaten eggs and fold. When flour combined well with eggs, add melted margarine and vanilla into this. Then get 4 small balls and put 2 tablespoons of batter to each ball. Mix different colors as the way you want. After that, put a baking sheet on a tray. Add colored batter dots here and there on the baking sheet. Now bake these dots around 5 minutes under 180 degrees Celsius in a preheated oven. Let these dots cool down and then pour rest of the cake batter on top of baked dots. Again we need to bake this around 15 to 18 minutes under the same temperature. Until the cake bakes, let's make the icing. For that, mix butter and icing sugar together. Let this cake sheet cool down and then remove the baking sheet. Keep the dot side down and spread butter icing evenly on the other side of the cake sheet. Then roll it and keep in the fridge around 2 hours. When the Swiss roll is well set, cut it into pieces. See you soon with another delicious recipe. Till then, subscribe my channel and ring the bell.